Welcome to Therapy Balls 101. I'm going to share with you how to use these therapy balls. There are 3 steps. Step 1 is to choose the ball usage. Step 2 is to choose the right technique for the parts of the body. And step 3 is the timing. So with step 1, you can use it as twin balls where you put the 2 balls into your travel pouch, which is very handy, so that you can keep the balls together as well. So just like that. And so this is particularly useful for working into areas that may feel a little sensitive, like your IT band, maybe it is your quads, the front of the thighs, or any other areas that you feel quite sensitive and you just need a gentler touch to release the fascia. They can be used amazingly as well for your spine because the balls doesn't slip off on its own. But then it's great when you're using on your spine, then they just glue together, and all you need to do is to move your body up or down so that the balls will just move together with it. The other ball usage is having 2 separate balls. So when you separate the 2 balls, it's going to put a little bit more pressure into the trigger points. So they're great for separate locations. For example, like the shoulders, when you put the balls onto the shoulders, whether it's leaning against the wall or against the floor. And they're really great for your glutes as well. You can just roll with it. Or if you like to have a little bit stronger sensations to get a little deeper into the tissues, then 1 ball is the way to go. So it's a lot stronger, which really targets the trigger point. It's like an acupressure point too. So you can choose the ball usage that you like, whether it's a twin in the bag, or 2 separate balls, or a single ball. So step 2 is to find the right technique. I'm going to use the example of twin balls where you put it into the bag. There are 4 techniques. 1 is compression. So let's say we are doing your IT band, the outer thigh. So if you wanted to, you create a little zigzag shape with your legs, and then you can put pressure into the ball. So that's a compression where you're just holding and just applying your weight into the ball, and there is nothing else that you need to do. The other way is if you like to do rolling, which means you're rolling across the muscle fibers in the same direction, okay? And the other method is cross fiber, is if you turn the balls around to the other direction, in this instance for the IT band. So you want to be going against the muscle fibers to really break any adhesion, in the tissues. And then the last technique, it's called pin and stretch. So you're going to pin your leg, your body into the balls, and then all you need to do is to move the body parts, the other body parts that's attached to it. Okay, so this is called pin and stretch, which is amazing for restoring function. And step 3 is timing. Ideally, you would like to stay for about 30 seconds to 2 minutes, otherwise you'll be causing more damage to the tissues rather than doing goods to it. And if you want to learn more about myofascial release for this whole body, check out my workshop on the link below. I hope you enjoy that.